Hey guys, Fireworkstud, and today we're going to be doing a store tour of this Phantom Fireworks store. We'll get inside and see the deal. Hey guys, Fireworkstud, and we're just going to go through the Phantom Fireworks store right now. And right here, there's just their tanks, all of the items, some fountains, your parachutes. Today everything's buy one get one free. Jumbo double day parachutes. Some big parachute cakes, 4 packs. Over here, looks like we've got some spinners, crackling jets, outer spaceships. Those things are awesome. Looks like you got some, whatever those are called, some magic diamonds. Some jumbo jumping jacks. These things are awesome. They're just like twister sticks. We got those last year. Bricks of jumping jacks. Smaller bricks of jumping jacks, some fountains, Saturn ring eruptions, strobe flowers down there, ground flowers up here, bricks of them, some big ground flowers, some flashes. Over here you've got some poppets, artificial satellites, military satellites, smoke grenades, some crackling balls, pops, smoke balls, canister smokes, crackling laser flashes, whatever that is, some exploding dice, some sky lanterns, and some novelty assortments, some spinners. Over here you have the morning glories, extra longs, sparklers, crackling sparklers for Wolfpack. Over here you've got some assortments, the Skyburst, the Jumbo. I already think I'm going to pick one of these up today. I'm going to try to find a Skyburst. There's only over here. Some Niagara Falls, Rolling Thunder, some cakes, Warbird, 7-shot, a nice cake. Battle of Yorktown cake. Had this last year. Aerial Barrage assortment. New Yorker assortment. Tube assortment. Uncle Abe assortment. Grand finale. Uncle Sam assortment. Gonna be picking up 3 of these today. These are huge. Some more stuff over here. Really big assortment. We'll go back over here. Looks like we got crackling stuff, some crack the whips, some jumbo crackling balls, some thunder strings, boxer, thunder, jumbo crackling balls, cracking ball box. Here's a brick of leggy fingers. I might be getting some of these. There's 40 strips of 80 in there. Big strips of MAD crackers. There's some strips of leggy fingers. See, they're really small. Some seismic wave crackers. Those things are huge. Some silver sloop crackers. These are waterproof. I'll be getting some of those. Some cannonballs, some bigger firecrackers. Right here we have the Roman candle assortment, and then we have pulsating supercluster, stellar storm. Going here, looks like they're really big Roman candles. 84 shot, 196. Red, white, and comet. Here's their military Roman candle package. Some jumbo fountain candles. These are some real shells. These are professional shells. Okay, we got the purple passion candles, and then candles, long rifle. Down there you got the assortment candles, crackling candles. Those are good. These are actually small. Some blue lemon candles. Some high performance with reports. You've got a Light of Liberty fountain in here. Stove on this side. We've got 16,000 rolls of firecrackers. Some 4,000s. 2,000s. 4,000 Thunder Bomb. You got bricks of Thunder Bombs. Bricks of Wolf Packs. Full bricks. Those are half bricks. Full bricks of Thunder Bombs. Some presidential salutes. A Wolf Pack. And then full bricks of Phantom Fireworks. Then right here we've got the backyard barrage assortment. Then we got the 72 shot Schwarzbinger, I think. It's a 500 gram cake. Right here we're getting into our bigger candle rockets. Panthera rockets, those things are awesome. Some bigger candles. Got some Vector 9 rockets. Some fuse. $6 for 3 packs. Might be getting some of that.
We're doing something for Pioneer Day.
Just to look at these funky monkey fountains. Those are 500 gram fountains. Some fiery frogs. Those are novelty items. Alpha Wolfpack fountain. But that's what you got right here. Then over here we have Battle of Saratoga 16 shot. It's 200 gram. It's a new item here. Pyro Pixie Dust 9 shot. Then here you've got some more rockets. Arrowhead missiles, Wolfpack missiles. These are 8-ounce Wolfpacks. There's a ton of stuff. There's some Fiery Tiger, some Blue Streak rockets. Those things are awesome. Some smaller Wolfpacks. Here are packs of Jumbo Wolfpack. Blue ones are whistling and red ones are just normal. And then you've got some big Moon Travelers. Those are larger than regular bottle rockets. Then you've got regular dose of wolf packs. More fuse. And over here we have 3 whistling moon chasers. They're by Boomer. Then you've got the Phantom 3 whistling moon chasers. Whistling bottle rockets with colored stars and reports. Regular whistling moon travelers. Howling wolf pack bottle rockets. Sea Sparrow missiles, 7 shots. There's a Jumbo rocket assortment again. 225 shot missile batteries. A big one, I think that's 504 or 300. And then some more rocket assortments. Here's a new daytime firework up in smoke, 16 shot. Got a couple of those. Screamin' Mimi, 130 shot. It's a big cake. Double take. Look right here. Some pyro torches. Those things are crazy. More bigger rockets. These are display rockets. Some Chinatown right there. Smiley face. These are really popular. Monkey Space Rocket. Those things are huge. On this back side, we've got the Celestial Celebration assortment. Just small fountains and stuff in there. Stellar Storm 12 shot down there. Looks like we're going into 200 gram repeaters. There's actually some black cats. I don't know where those are here. Seaside Garden. I'll just point out the good ones. Neath the red, white, and blue. 15 shot. Whatever. I can't say that, but it's a good one. Rain of Fire. Great cake. The Up in Smokes I showed you. More torches. Gold Exchange. What's that? This is a Vapor Trails. It's a great one too. It's a fan cake. Wild West Ray Brothers, really good cake. Twinkle Barrage, 7-4 shot. Never seen that. Falcon Rising, another great cake. Just by Power Cell, which is one of their best cakes, I think. Phantasm 2, 16 shot. Power Plays, another good one. Supersonic Warhead, another good one. Just going through all of these. Semper Fi is a great one. It's a good cake, 12 shot. And right here, we've got some cherry bomb mortar kits, some radical recoils, and some large copperhead galactic glitz. We'll just keep going down this way. We've got Happy Planets 36 shot, 96 shot pearls, red, white, and boom, a gray cake. Right by Emerald City, which is another great cake. Those are probably two of their best cakes. Gunner Mates is another great one. Fiery Falcons, another great cake. Galactic Glitz, just like the others. Boston Tea Party, 12 shot. We got Pyro Try in Motion. I think I said that right. I don't know how many shots that is, but it's a big cake. Then Rain of Fire Premiere, 36 shot. Over here we've got 9 shot Platinum Pyro Fusion. Rock Around the Clock Fountain. Festival of Lights down there. I've already seen that side. Raptor's a good one. Molotov Cocktail, 19 shot. Midnight Monsoon down there. It's a 19 shot cake. Solar Explosion, 19 shots. Palm Pyro Pageantry, 19 shot. Then down here, Blue Bouquet. It's a great fan cake. I don't know how many shots. Doesn't say right there. Oh, here I already showed you this one. We've got a whatever this is. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Hexagon Magic, Wolfpack, More Fiery Frogs, Funky Monkeys, Soda Pop Fountains. Just tons of stuff. These are all fountains, I think. Moonets fountains, good small fountains, Whistle Pete's, whatever that is. Keep going down this road, we've got some 500 gram single shot tubes. Some Mega Banger tubes right there. Coming into our 500 grams, King Midas Touch, Mind Shell Mayhem, Phantom X7, it's a good one. Crack the Sky, Wicked Willows, Molten Core, Aerial Avalanche 25 shot. There's some crazy huge cakes right here. God of Fire is a really good one. Johnny Be Good, great cake. Fortress of Fire, another great 500 gram cake. And right over here, got New Yorker Salute Finale 36 shot. Backyard Barrage, Supreme Finale Assortment, Enchanted Forest, Pack of Morning Glories, some more sparklers, Phantom Crown Jewel. I think that's yeah, these are fountains now. Phantasm Fountain, War Drum Fountain, Moto 300 Fountain, Patriarch Power Blast Fountain, New York Harbor Fountain, Apache Fountain, Coral Reef, Brouhaha Fountain, and that stuff right there. Got the Iwo Jima fireworks assortment right there. Got some more assortments behind me. Let's go down this side now. Looks like this side is the same fountains I just showed you. This place is huge. Same with the 500 gram cakes. Red flashes are good. Large Silver Sonic Warhead. Wizard of Oz. Christmas in July. New York Salute Finale. Mega Mojo. Critical Blast. Live Free or Die. Just crazy. Bada Bing, Bada Boom. More Silver Sonic Warheads. Pre-Mastica. These are 500 gram cakes. That's just a big assortment. I think that's the grounds for the divorce assortment. High Performance. Pyro Pulverizer. Thunder Mountain. Heavy Fuel. Got the Finale. Screaming Mimi, saw it back there. 37 shots, Supercell Storm. Thing's huge. It's my hand. Double Take, The Bomb, some 3-inch. This is the Emerald City finale premiere, 3-inch tubes. Just some more stuff. There's the Wolfpack finale spectacular. See the tubes on there, those things are huge. More finales. This side, more finales. That's a big cake. Beehive Barrage. Storm, Flying Proud. Over here you've got the Komodo 3000, 119 shot. Then the Shogun Fortress Stronghold. Looks like you can read that right there. Phantom Fireworks Arsenal, Aerial Arsenal Shell Kit. This is America. Gladiator. Some X-Force. Some Phantomizer. Some Lock and Loads. These are great cancer shells. The very, very famous Excalibur shells. These things are awesome. So this is Wild, Typhoon, Sweet 16, Silver Salute Shell. Got more 500 gram cakes over there. Yeah, we sell those. Exterminator kit, Fear No Evil kit, White Knight, Radical Recoil, Ale Rampage shells, Copperheads, Ale Artistry shell, Cherry Bomb, Red, White, and Blue Aerials. Here's some wolf packs. Just some festival balls. That's about it, I think. Show you this stuff. Just show you the idols. Well, thanks for watching. This has been the Fireworkstud. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making videos of what I buy, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. I'm just trying to get in my car.